He's like on his back. It's so cute.
Big smiles, guys. 1, 2, and 3. Good looking photo, guys. Couple more. Go ahead.
Alright. They're very friendly.
Woo! Thank you out for that. Thank you. Alrighty, guys. Now, as soon as she removes all the birds, she's going to step over here to your left and we'll tell you how to feed them. Thank you all very much. Picture's going to be in the gift shop as you're leaving.
Sounds good. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. You guys are next. First, this camera's back. The birds. Get after running the picture over here to the right side of the boat.
Oh, I'm so envious of